So what I'm going to do now is to do the eyeliner, but I'm going to do a very soft eyeliner. And I start from the center. Because she's young, I think I make it fun by having nice long liner. Your eyeliner can be all sorts of colors, but to emphasize your eyes, especially when you're really close to your lashes, it's better if it's black. Just also makes your eyes look fuller and bigger. Okay, so now I'm going to curl the lashes. So I just applying the bronzer on the high points of the face. Now I'm just blending the bronzer. I've applied quite a bit of bronzer on the cheeks and I'm just blending it. Put a touch of blush. For the lips, I'm going to choose a nude color. So I want the closest color to, between the skin tone and the lip liner. I'm applying more lip balm. And I'm going to apply this, it's like a peachy color.